good morning, good day po sa ating lahat. Of course, andito na naman tayo sa manibagong taxi kung saan po tayo na napaka-trusted po din ito. Ito ay from India. Hi! How are you?
Fine.
How many years working here in Saudi Arabia? 23 years with your family here?
Yes.
So, you came from India, right?
Yes.
Okay, say hi and
Hi.
message to your family in India, your friends, your cousin.
My family is here.
Yeah, cousin just only.
My cousin is all cousins. So hi. How are you? Fine all.
So how's the job?
Job is good.
So guys, kung gusto niyo pong sumakay, and of course dito po tayo sa Makapagtiwalaan. Makikita po siya sa Khamis, Balad. You stay in Balad, right?
Yes.
Every morning, whole day?
Yeah. Morning 6 o'clock to 9 to 9 o'clock.
Yeah, napakamura lang po siya, maningil. Kaya guys, kung gusto niyo pong sumakay sa kanya, sumakay na kayo dahil napakabait niya. India siya at matagal na siya dito, 23 years.
Yes.
Oh, 23 years. No going vacation.
Every year 1 month go.
Every year 1 month go. So pasensya na kayo sa mga English ha. Sabta na lang din ninyo. Mainit sa gawas, ganina mao nga nabasa ako, nainom po ko tapos pagkahuman. Thank you everyone.
Thank you everyone also.